Leave it 851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established 27.
Hello everyone, welcome to DJ's Aviation. In recent days, news has emerged that British Airways parent company, IAG, has offered a huge hint that Boeing is now in the pole position to win over a new order for a wide-body aircraft. With no aircraft being noted at this stage, when taking a look at the British Airways current and future fleets based on orders and operations, the 777X is an aircraft that is currently missing from the list. As mentioned though, the aircraft set to be ordered is yet to be confirmed. For all we know, it may be additional orders for an existing widebody, or even the 747-8, even though I'm pretty sure that one is unlikely. On top of the rumours circling that a new order is imminent, the share price of IAG has risen as well by a very modest 4% in the European trade. This comes after the company reported a higher first quarter operating profit than expected. The figure is at €280 million or $335 million. Willie Walsh, the CEO, has told analysts that they are in talks with both Airbus and Boeing on a new wide-body aircraft, but hinted very heavily at Boeing being in the lead. He said, "We've had very constructive dialogue with Boeing on wide-body aircraft. We will be meeting them in the next few days." With a new order potentially imminent, this is another blow for Airbus, who are already struggling with the deliveries of their Airbus A320neos as they try to fix the engine problems that multiple airlines are facing. Walsh has been very clear as well with his disappointment with these current A320neo problems, as well as stating that he has very clearly expressed his dissatisfaction at the program and the current issues that are impacting it. Are you excited about a new potential order from British Airways? With the 777X likely leading the race, it's an order that has been a long time coming with the carrier. British Airways already operate a huge number of 777s in their fleet, so the introduction of the 777X seems perfect. I'd like to thank you very much for watching this video of mine, and I hope you'll all join me in my next one.